Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this bird's eye Voila Skillet meal beef lo mein variety. We have got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your beef lo mein kit, a skillet with a lid, 1/4 cup of water, a utensil to stir it up with, and I highly recommend a meat thermometer to check and make sure it is done in the end. They tell you to cook it to 165 degrees Fahrenheit for litigation purposes. You are welcome to not temp it as long as you are willing to take the risk of getting food poisoning. So first thing that we need to do is go ahead and put our pan on the stove and turn our burner to medium-high heat. Once you've got that going, open up your package and fish out the packet of sauce that is. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. You don't want to dump that into your hot pot. And then go ahead and dump your whole bag into the skillet. Next, open up your sauce packet, and this is just a peel apart, so you can just find the edge and peel it open. Dump that right on top and add in 1/4 cup of water. I like to give it a little stir to make sure that the sauce is near the bottom of the pan. And then you're going to cover this up with your lid. And we're gonna continue to cook this on medium-high heat for about 9 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. We're looking for our temperature, as I said, to be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. When you take the lid off to stir it, I like to just kind of break up that sauce packet so that way it starts to melt a little bit quicker. All right, it's been about 9.5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and check my temperature of my meat to make sure that it is fully cooked. And we have reached over 165 degrees Fahrenheit in a couple different pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my flame. And this is ready to go. Just give it a quick stir. And the sauce will thicken up slightly as it sits. Here's our completed bird's eye Voila Skillet Meals beef lo mein. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.